everyone! So in today's video we're off to Helsinki Center because we're going to buy some stuff to create our own advent calendar. I'm actually super excited about this idea. I haven't done this before, but I thought that, why not? I proposed to my son that instead of him having the same boring chocolate advent calendar with the same predictable stuff that, it's fine, but still, he would already know everything that he's getting from it. That I could make it a little bit more interesting for him and choose in between some of his favorite treats and just build his own personalized advent calendar. Let's do it! That was it for today's video. I can't wait to see my boy's face when he opened those treats for Christmas. Let's remember that the real meaning is not about bragging expensive gifts or expensive chocolates or whatever it is. Do what feels right for you, for your budget, and for your family. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and leave in the comments what else you would like to see in this channel. And I see you in my next video. Bye!